Hi, welcome back to Real Talk with Sarasota's luxury waterfront specialist, Roger Pettingell. Hey, Roger.
Okay, we are in a fabulous location at Tangerine Bay, which is on the very south end of Longboat Key. So just after here, you have the 34-acre nature preserve, and then the bridge that takes you to St. Armand's. So super location, great walkability or ride your bike ability.
And the grounds here are just beautiful. It's 10 acres, beautifully landscaped.
Tangerine Bay has been known for this swimming pool too. You really do. When they use the word resort swimming pool, I mean, I feel it here, right?
And there's a lagoon that runs around the perimeter of the pool.
Cool.
It's
There's
really cool.
Community dock. It's a day dock to drop people off or to use for fishing. Easy access to the dry dock boat storage if you want that, or to the restaurant. And then the listing that we have here is so spacious. That's what I love about it.
The unicorn, as we like to call it, a true 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath.
Right, and it's the penthouse plan that gives you that extra level. So that, so many times you have this pretend third bedroom.
Right.
We have a real third bedroom here.
Right, and also a real 2-car garage.
And gas.
And
right?
yeah.
So I've always felt like it feels like a single family home. Great location, maintenance free, cool pool, super social. Like if you want to get to know people, these people here are super friendly. They have gatherings by this pool. Yeah, it's a good one.
Yeah, please call us. We'd love to show it to you. 941-387-1840 or visit us at tangerinebay431.com. Thanks so much for joining us on Real Talk.